Consent from my own say, I dare no, said your mind why and this will be enough for me, cry, and yet they say, Mampanium Kwana, ya a ye in a senti, or Panini Baka, what tried they were a year UDS, Michelle University of Development Studies, Dr. Vida N. Yakon, or Panin Chemwa, or Kwaya Nyobok Clinic, and Peninfo see with Jim Waffin Pedinu Dunai. I said, the near man said, Uncle Yet, Tiapan, someone but home, dear, what Shaman see a cosmo.
Abankwa entimi enye de obi apɛ ema no esenti eya na wo ma wonsem wo bi ankurankura no nwumakwa wodo nso efato ho so a oha wo manfo hia wo wasetena mu no okoye bibi ede boa wo mo okota malemensine no emu a Nyobok Health Facility empino ene dunan mu a osiye eje mu Ghana Health Service nanso ensiesie bia enkoso wo hono mu a ede wo ha ebro manfo saa so yi ochwetwe ni ba ko wo University for Development Studies Dr. Vida Yakon ena esi yi a na nkode boa mo manfo apomodensem etimi akonkan midwife wo aso ye ho Santuma Vida Dokma eni Adom Kasee atwetwe nkomo ena wodi tu dwose obesrese aban emra emesiesi ayaresabia no ema wo mo na afi wo mo akade a obetimi ede ahwe manfo esanse emu enye.
During the rainy season, when they come to deliver and it rains, water always enter through the spoil window and the doors. And some too, when they come to deliver, some of the equipment too are not there. Example is the scissors and they are not good. So when you are going to do, you will be facing difficulty. What I want to tell the authority is that we are begging them to come and help us renovate the room and some of the equipment if they can get it for us.
Enwechi kromafo bi nso eni Adom Kasee atwetwe ho enkomo.
Iya no, yawo ano. Ayi doctor no hospital no ebubu. Zinc ni na tutu nsu to a nsu aba inside ho. Yenim de ebeye. Nti yesrese o mana obeji ade no wonu sumba yede mbeboya ahwe hospital ni maya
na woni nyina mu no ena lecturer Dr. Vida Yakon ya wono ene sisa so yi ma wo manfo editu dwase nya de obetimi ayenhwe ha amasoye no age ne ho da desenti ono so aye na afamu di a ode aboa amapomode mu nsem akonkan e wo mansine no emu ensem bia wode tu Adom Kasee enim enie.
My main focus today is to look at the clinic in totality. Since 2014 that this clinic was opened and handed over to the Ghana Health Service to support the system deliver service, it has never received any support from the health system or government, let me put it that way. Today I'm here to assess, I have been here severally, but today I'm here to assess the situation. The ceiling in all the rooms are falling off. I have brought a carpenter to look at how they can work on it, and I just think that they will have to remove everything because anytime soon it can fall off and cause damage.